Hello everyone, welcome to the Nurse Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, thank you for clicking and welcome. Thank you my subscribers, it's growing, but keep sharing. Thank you for coming back too. Today's video is going to be short and sweet. As I told you before, I was working on one of my client's outfit. It is done. I just had to do the hem and then she had to come and try it on. So I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, so there we go. Okay, it's a wraparound wrap skirt, lined, fully lined, and this is 3X. Okay, so this is it. And anyway, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this from the globe. I forgot to say that. Yeah, and then the jacket. It's an open jacket. It's also fully lined. I just had to do the hemming at the bottom and it's all done. Okay, so this is it. Okay, I'll see if she will let me take a picture of her in it, and then I'll show you. If she says yes, I'll do it. If not, then it's up to her. But anyway, please, next week we're gonna start our apron. I have my material, so we're gonna start our apron. So make sure, please, that you cut it all up and get ready for next week. We're gonna start next week. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. So I'll see you next week. Okay, have a lovely day. We'll talk later. Thanks. Bye bye. See ya.